Welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm preparing a tuna and pasta casserole, perfect for a weeknight dinner, and they are even freezable. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, just keep on watching. And to my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, turn your bell on so you won't miss another upload. So let's get straight to the video, guys. Keep on watching. Okay, guys, the first step is to prep our pasta, and we're going to cook these until they are al dente. Then we work on the rest of ingredients. I have some tuna, I already drained 2 cans. I have cheddar cheese and a mixture of other cheeses that I find in my fridge. Yes, and we're going to saute some onion and bell pepper, and you'll see how I put this one together. I'm going to add a can of mushroom soup. That's totally optional, but just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you in another video. So thanks for all the support, guys, and please continue watching and drop me a comment at the end of the video. Catch you in another upload, guys.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la 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 la. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page. But I didn't like their way, had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I'm going to freeze this one after adding the breadcrumbs and the cheese. Just wrap it tightly with a plastic wrap, then wrap with foil paper, and you can freeze it for a couple of days. Then you just remove those wrapper and bake and serve. And the breadcrumbs with the butter and stuff give it an extra crunchy to this casserole, and it's very cheesy. Tastes really good, guys. You should try it out. Yes. Just play around with stuff in the kitchen, guys, and you will come up with something very delicious, okay? So hope you guys enjoy this one, and please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't. And also a big shout out to all my supporters. Appreciate you guys a lot again. And for those coming for the first time, welcome. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Want to see more casseroles dinner idea video? Just tell me in the comment section.